It's nightcap time, and today is January 22nd, 2025, and this is what it looked like outside in southern Georgia, which, yeah, I used to live up north. I used to live in Indiana. I used to live in Virginia. I used to live in Pennsylvania, and shoveled snow. When it snowed, it's just another day. But down here in the south, I think it only snows like once every 10 years, so there's no equipment to salt roads or shovels roads or anything like that. So when it snows, things shut down. Even essential workers stay home or stay put and maybe drive 10 miles an hour to work. But it's nightcap time, and I had a video where I did screwball peanut butter flavored whiskey, so I was very impressed, and so I wanted to expand my horizons and got me another peanut butter flavored whiskey. And this was a sample bottle. It was $10, and what's the 200 milliliters, and this was $20, and it's 750 milliliters, so definitely more bang for the buck. But this was very good, so let's see how much or how good this one is. Oh yeah, it does smell peanut buttery. Smell it, smell it, smell it, smell it. And I don't see any sugary crystals. This has more peanut buttery type of smell than this one. This one has more of a buttery smell. Still has that peanut butter smell, but more. This had more buttery to it. All right, here we go. Cheers. It has a lighter mouthfeel. It's not as thick, thus the lighter mouthfeel. It is sweet. Not tasting as much peanut butter, probably because it's thinner. And it's 40% versus 35%. So this has 5% more alcohol by volume. I like it for the price, for the flavor. It's a winner. Very good. Yeah, I'm a new fan of peanut butter whiskey. It's a good sipping whiskey, and this has a little more bite than the other one. I'll do a little sip of the other. You know what? I'll just I'm the only one that will drink this. Do a little sip in the lid. Yeah, as I mentioned before, this has the peanut buttery taste, but it has like a slight tinge of artificial, kind of the uncanny valley of androids that kind of look like humans. This tastes like peanut butter, but there's an uncanny valley where you sense some artificialness to it, but it's not unpleasant. Whereas this one, the Bird Dog, I don't sense the artificialness. But it's not as peanut buttery. Yeah, this has a more buttery flavor, and it doesn't have as much bite, obviously, because it doesn't have as much alcohol by volume. They're both good. Breaking into this video with this video, I forgot, the other night I tried, because this was a little sweeter and a little thicker, I went and cut it with some Old Crow. Now, I like Old Crow. I like it neat. I like it with some ice. I like it with, you know, Diet Dr. Pepper. It's a good liquor base. But I cut this with some Old Crow, and it was winter. So put a little bit there, a little half and half. Here we go. So if you guys you want to get a little more mileage out of Screwball, just get you some Old Crow. I think this was like $10. And I watched a video a while ago where these guys were connoisseurs of liquor, and even they admitted that, yeah, the expensive liquors, expensive bourbons or whiskeys, they do have a more complex flavor, but it doesn't mean they taste better. They said they actually like less expensive whiskeys than the real high-end expensive whiskeys. It's kind of like Grey Goose. Vodka is vodka. Yeah, some taste better, some taste not as better, but it's preference. Some people like the less expensive vodka, some people like the more expensive vodka. You can tell the difference, but is the more expensive one taste better? Depends. And depends on what you're going to use the vodka for. If you're just going to drink it neat, yeah, you might like the more expensive ones. But if you're going to mix it, it may not make much of a difference. And that's why I buy, not necessarily bottom shelf stuff, but I don't buy, super duper high end stuff. And if you Google or look on YouTube about just put in like Grey Goose scam. It's a scam. Cheers. Oh yeah. Just the right amount of peanut butter taste, and the Old Crow, it gets you that little bit of what do you call it, relaxation. Alright, back to the other video. I think the full size bottle, 750 milliliter bottle, might have been a little bit more expensive. I don't remember, but this is worth every penny. So there you go. I recommend both of these, Screwball and Bird Dog, if you're interested in trying peanut butter flavored whiskey. And this was inspired again by Just JoJo. I'll put her channel below. I'm still looking for the St. Julian's peanut butter and jelly wine, so when I have that, that's gonna be another nightcap. All right, cheers.